can we haven't done a walk-in thing, can't we? I want to do a walk-in.
If you want.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
How candid was that?
Pretty good.
Thank you. Can't even tell.
Come on in, buddy.
Hey again.
Make the best vending machine.
Make the best vending machine. You have 10 minutes.
But yeah, 10 minutes. The vending machine must be in here, but you can leave the room to get materials and everything like that.
You want to make a vending machine?
Yeah, please.
I don't do, like, engineering or anything.
Yeah, you can get it done. 10 minutes is a long time.
Okay.
Yeah?
Awesome. So my task, Sam Strong, was to create the best vending machine.
It was.
And I thought, well, vending machines, you normally go in and you get chocolate. You pay money to get chocolate. And I thought that's actually pretty good already.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
However, I thought, what would be even greater is if, in order to recycle as well, you actually paid in as the currency old chocolate wrappers
Right.
and then received money for them.
I can't wait to go get something from a vending machine. Here's one now. Some great prices there.
You pay in the chocolate wrapper into the mug, and that gives you the special skill, that gives you the special permission to lift the shoe, removing the shoe, causing money to then fall out.
There's no prices, it must be free. I'll put my money away. I love those free vending machines. Beep. Oh, there we go, it's vended. It's free, so I might as well just grab another one. Let me get another one.
Hang on a minute, Ben. I'm not just a vending machine. I also teach you the morals of life. And one of the morals is don't be greedy. That's enough for you today.
Wow, I can't believe the vending machine just told me off.
Excuse me, I'm a pending machine.
Wow, I'll be off.
Pay in, remove the shoe.
Wow, great value. Amazing.
And that's it. World's greatest vending
Now I
machine.
get to keep this.
Yeah,
let's cut.
No.
I'm gonna get the one which costs 50p. Oh. Yeah, which is number 2. Select.
Hey! You own me now. I'm your very own Indian.
Thank you so much. Do you take refunds?
I'm keeping this.
I'd like another Indian. Number 3. Select.
Oh, well, hello there. How are you, dear?
I'm great. Yeah, you're much better than the first one I bought.
Oh, you. So what would you like to do with your very own Indian here?
Can we play a duet?
Oh, of course we can, darling. Come on,
Great.
come on.
3, 2, and a 0.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome.
I'll see you later. Thank you. Cheers.
You know you can keep me, right?
What?
Sam, can I have the £20, please?
No.
Like
I gave you the change.
I know.
It was
but
your vending machine.
It was my.
You think
my
I'm being paid
wrapper.
for this? That's
No.
It
was my chocolate
No,
wrapper.
well,
I ate
no.
the chocolate.
your vending machine. I get the goods from it.
Okay, but
It's pretty simple.
what?
All right?
Just.
Yeah, just
I,
come on. Come on.